What's going on, guys? I got these coins back from grading from NGC, and we're gonna go over them. I basically submitted them in January at a coin show, January 13th, I believe. They actually did arrive about a month and a half ago, but unfortunately I was unable to accept the coins and I had to send them back to NGC. And then I had to wait till NGC was ready to ship them back. So that process probably took about a month or so, at least. So I finally got the coins, guys, and I am happy to have them. Now I submitted two, let's say, vintage American coins, one foreign modern coin, as well as a number of modern American coins. Some of them are the reverse proofs from last year, and we're gonna see what else I submitted, guys. I forgot why I submitted. So let's start with the ends here. Basically, the box, I opened it, and it just basically kind of came like this. They don't give you a holder like PCGS does. And I did peek at the end coins here, so we're just gonna go over them here. Now this says cleaned. I don't know how they determined it was cleaned. Honestly, guys, some people hide the numbers. I don't really care. I'd rather have the numbers on camera because in case someone steals my coins, I have proof that it was mine. So there's no point in hiding the numbers. I don't see why people do that. There's really no point in doing it. So it is what it is. Look at that beautiful luster on there, guys. How is this cleaned? Can someone tell me? I don't know. It really doesn't look clean to me. I don't know, I'm not an expert. I really don't see where this was cleaned. I probably wouldn't have submitted it if I knew it was cleaned. Really beautiful condition. So it is what it is, guys. Let's go with this one. Oh, check this out. All right, 2-coin reverse proof. Now, I kind of do know some of the grades. I kind of forgot them. Once I sent them back to PCGS, they kind of removed it from my queue. So we'll check it out. All these coins are probably gonna fall down. Here we go. We got two beautiful Peace Dollars reverse proof and PF70. So that's good. What else we got going on here? We got another one in proof 70. That's awesome. Maybe I was mistaken as far as the grades. We got a Morgan, okay, proof 69, which is all right. We got another Morgan, finally a proof 70. So I do have one complete set, at least in proof 70. I got another 69 here, guys. So I do have one proof 70 set at least, which I'm happy about. And then here is another Ultra Cameo Peace Dollar. Beautiful. 69 condition. We do have another 69. Unfortunately, I don't think I got a 70. We have another 69 Ultra Cameo proof. And we have a 69 here. And I'm kind of disappointed that there was no 70. It is what it is, guys. 69, beautiful. Got this little special label here. I don't know if it's going to add any value in the future. I highly doubt it. Here we go. Here's a Morgan. This actually did get a 70, so that's good. I got one out of all those I submitted. And we have a international coin here, guys. This is the 1998 small date. So this is a very low mintage, very rare. A lot of these were melted down because there was a crisis, economic crisis in China in 98. And the small date is much rarer than the large date. I got this in the original mint packaging, so I honestly did not expect it to go a 69. I mean, this coin is worth some big money. I think I'm not telling you how much I paid. I think I said it in my old video, but I'm probably gonna make about 10 times my money on this coin. So at least 7 or 8 times my money. So I'm happy with that. I guess that paid for everything else here. And then I got this one as well that was cleaned. This one does look a little suspect. So I could see why this was cleaned. This I could understand it being cleaned. Honestly, I had a feeling this one might be, but the other one, I seriously thought it was straight grade. I really don't see why it was rated cleaned. If anybody can please tell me who's more of an expert on this than me. It has luster in the fields. You can clearly see it has luster. I'm not sure why this was rated cleaned. If someone can tell me, please let me know. That's about it for now, guys. I did pick up some gold coins. I'm going to be releasing that video pretty soon. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and as always, stack that gold.